talking. So anyway, this is the one we think it is. So you say you need 5/8 diameter. 5/8 diameter is 6250. 625. That's pretty darn close. So there we are right there. And the depth is 7/16. It's marked to that little line right there. Right there. So I take that measurement right there, which should be 4375, and that is actually let me just put this one at 4375. So that's at 4375, and that's pretty close right there. So we got the depth, we got the diameter. That should be it.